Namaste children. How are you all? Are you fine? Yes, I'm your maths teacher Mangala MJ. Let us start today's session with continuity of the lesson number 5, fractions. Okay children? Yes, we have discussed about like and unlike fractions, mixed numbers converting from mixed numbers to improper fractions also, and ascending order of fractions, descending order of fractions. Okay children, and comparing fractions also over. Now let us go with addition of fractions. Okay, yes. See here children, how to add the fractions. Okay, if they have given different denominator, okay, how to add the fractions. Same procedure children, how we are doing for ascending order and descending order, the same procedure we have to apply here. We should take LCM first. After that we have to equalize the denominator. Then after we should add the numbers. Okay, add the fractions. Yes, let us start children. 8 and 4 here. We should take LCM for 8 and 4. That is 4 and 8. Okay, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. What is the LCM children here? 8 is an LCM. Okay, LCM is equal to 8. Then we have to take here 3 by 8. Okay, that is equal to 3 by 8. Same number children we have to multiply by 1. Okay, then we will get 3 by 8. See here 8 is an LCM. We have to multiply by 1 only here. Okay, then we will get 8. That is 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8 only. Then we have to change this number as 4 by 1 by 4. We have to multiply with 2. Isn't it children? Then only we will get 8. That is 2. Then multiply these fractions 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Is it possible children? Yes, it is possible. 8 is, we should keep as it is 8. Then we have to add the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay children, yes, I will explain once again. See here children, we have to take 3 by 8. Here 8 is an LCM. That's why we should multiply by 1. To get the number, we have to multiply with 1 only. But in this fraction, we have to multiply with 2. Then we will get 8 as an answer. Okay, 8 is an LCM. Then we have to add these fractions because these are the fractions having same denominator. Okay children, that is 5 by 8. Clear? Then let us go for next problem, that is 1 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Okay, 5 and 10 are the denominators. Take LCM, very easy. What is LCM children? 10. 5 twos are 10. Okay, then the same procedure in this case also 1 by 5 we have to multiply with 2 to get the number, that is 2 by 10. Clear children? Here 10 is there children. We should multiply with 1. Here 10 is there. That's why. Okay. Here 10. Here 7. 7 ones are how much? 7. 7 by 10. Now we have to add these fractions. 2 plus 10 plus 2 by 10 plus 7 by 10. That is 9 by 10. What is the answer children? 9 by 10. Clear? Yes, do this problem children. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Very easy problem. That is 3, 6 is an LCM here. 3 and 6 are the denominators. Okay, take LCM for 3 and 6. That is 6 only. No children. 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. LCM that is equal to 6. Okay, the same procedure. 2 by 3 into we have to multiply with yes 2 only. 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4. Okay, here 1 by 6 only 1 here. Okay, now add these fractions. 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the answer for this fractions. Okay, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Okay, yes children, here add second man and give the answer in the lowest terms. We have to add these fractions and we have to give the answer in their lowest terms, lowest form. Okay children, here 2 and 6 are the denominators. We have to equalize these denominators. What is the LCM children? Very easy. LCM is equal to 6. Then the same procedure we have to follow here. 1 by 2 into, yes, 3 by 3. To get 6 as an answer, 6 as an LCM, we have to multiply with 3 and 3 by 3. 3 by 6. Here 1 by 6, 1 by 1. Yes, come on, add these numbers, add these fractions. 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 by 6. Is it possible to divide this number, children? Yes, it is possible because these are all even numbers. These two numbers are even numbers. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. We should take one table, children. That is 2 1s are, okay. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Clear, children? This is a simplified form. This is the lowest term. Okay. Yes, let us go for second question. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10. Yes, what is the LCM, children? Come on, do it fast. Very easy. 2 5s are 10. LCM is nothing but 10 only. Here we should multiply 1 by 2 into 5 by 5. Isn't it, children? To get 10. That is 5 by 10. Here 3 by 10 is there already 10. That's why we should multiply by 1 only. Multiply and divide by 1 only. That is the same thing, 3 by 10. Then 5 by 10 plus 3 by 10. What is the answer, children? 8 by 10. Okay, 8 by 10 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Okay children, let us go for third main. We should add the fractions and give the answer as mixed number. Okay, we have to convert into mixed fractions. Okay, yes, what is the LCM, children? 10. Okay, 10. Yes, how much, children? Very easy. 10. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Yes, what is the LCM, children? 10. 3 by 5 into 2 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 10. Okay, no need of multiplication with another number. We should take only 1 by 1, that is 7 by 10 only. Then add these fractions, 6 by 10 plus 7 by 10, that is equal to 6 plus 7, how much, children? Yes, 13 by 10. Then how to convert this one to the mixed number? Okay, we have discussed already how to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. That we should divide this number. Okay, 10 ones are 10. What is the remainder, children? This 3 as remainder. Okay, 3 is the remainder. We should keep 3 in this pot and we should keep this one and the quotient pot. Sorry, 1, children. We should keep this quotient pot as a mixed number. Okay, as a whole number, sorry, whole number as 1 and 3 is the remainder and 10 is the denominator, the same as it is. Once again, 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, 10 ones are 10, 3 is the remainder. This 3 we should keep in the numerator part and this 1, the quotient, we should keep in the whole number part. Okay, yes. Let us go for second question. Same thing, children. 2 and 8. What is the LCM for 2 and 8? 2 4s are 8. That is LCM is also 8. Okay. Yes. How to convert this one? 1 by 2 into 4 by 4 to get 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay. That here 1 4s are 4. 5 by 8. No need of multiply with another number. We should multiply by 1 only. Okay. That is 5 by 8. Let's come on, add the number, add the fractions, children. 4 by 8 plus 5 by 8. That is how much? 4 plus 5, 9 by 8. Yes, come on, divide this number, children. 9. 8 ones are how much? Very easy. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 1. Okay, see here, children. 8 Ones are 8, remainder is 1, the quotient is also 1. That's why we should keep this 1 remainder part in the numerator and the denominator 8 as it is, and the whole number quotient what we have get, the quotient answer is 1, that we should keep in the mixed number part. Okay, clear children? Very easy problems. Okay, next questions, story sums. Okay children, Upasana drinks 1 by 4 liter of milk in the morning. Okay, and 2 by 5 liter of milk at night. How much does she drink every day? We have to find out how much Upasana drink milk every day. Okay children, what we should do? Very easy problem. We should add the fractions. Okay, yes. Okay children, this is the story sum. Solution. The fraction of milk, the fraction of milk, the fraction of milk drinks in the morning. The fraction of milk drink in the morning. How much fraction children? 1 by 4th liter. Okay. Yes. The same thing. The fraction of milk drinks at night. At every night. At night. Okay. At night. How much children? That is 2 by 5 liter. We have to find out how much does she drink every day. Means total fraction of milk. Okay. Total fraction of milk, that is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. 2 by 5. Once again we should take LCM children. Okay, here the denominators are different. Here 4 is there, here 5 is there. Once again we should take LCM. See, 4 and 5 is not divisible by one number. That's why we should multiply. Okay, we should multiply both these 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 is an LCM. Okay children, 20 is an LCM. Here, how to add this one? Yes, 4 5s are 20 here, 5 it will come here. Okay, here 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8. 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13 by 20. Okay, 13 by 20 liter. 13 by 20 liter of milk she will drink every day. Upasana will drink every day. Okay children, this is 4 into 5 20. This is LCM. Okay children, after this what you will do? That is 1 by 4, it will become 20. What we should multiply? We should multiply with 5. That's why I have written directly here 5. Plus 5 here. Here 20 is there. We should multiply with the 4. And this 4 will multiply by 2. That is 4 2s are 8. That is 13 by 20 liter. Okay children? Yes. Let us go with another example. That is exercise number 5. Add. We should add the mixed numbers here. Okay. Yes. How to add the mixed numbers children? Is it possible to add directly? No, it is not possible. We have to convert this mixed number into improper fractions. Okay. First step you have to convert. That is how to convert? You should multiply this mixed number to the denominator. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. Okay, I will write one step. Okay children. That is 3 ones are 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, this is the conversion. Here also 9 into 2 plus 5 divided by 9. That is equal to children. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 how much children? Yes, 5. 5 divided by, okay, 5 divided by 3 plus we have to add. They have given heading is addition. Okay, we have to add these fractions. 5 by 3 plus 9 into 2. 9 2s are how much? 18. 18 plus 5 how much children? 18 plus 5 is 23 divided by 9. Now you should add these fractions. Here 3 is there, here 9 is there. Is it possible to add? No, we should take LCM. How much LCM children? 9. 3 3 is a 9 is an LCM. Okay. 9 is an LCM. Then after that, what you should do, see if it, you should write like this, children. Okay, this is another method I will show you here. This 9 we should write here. We should multiply with this. Okay, which number we should multiply to get 9? 3. Okay, which number we should multiply? 3. That number you should write in the above, that is the numerator. It is very easy, children. 5 into 3 is 15. Here 9 ones are 9, that one we should multiply with 23, that is 23 ones are 23 only. Okay, easy step, children. Once again I will explain you, children. This is easy step actually. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, children, 3 threes are 9. That 3 we should multiply to the numerator. Okay, see here, children, 5 by 3 into 9. Okay, this LCM if you have written here, how much 3 threes are 9. This 5 is multiplied with 3. That is 5 threes are 15. Okay, another one is 23 by 9. It is very easy. 9 it will get cancelled. It becomes 23 only. Okay, easy now, children. Now add these numbers. 15 plus 23. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. That is 38 by 9. Okay, children, 38 by 9. If you want to convert the mixed number for this, what we should do? We should divide this number by 9. 9 how much the 38, children? Yes, come on, think of 9 fours are how much? 9 fours are 36. Reminder 2 and 9 you should keep as it is. Okay, this is 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 38 by 9. Because they have given the question in the mixed number, you should also keep the answer in the mixed number also. Mixed fraction. Okay, children? Yes, got it? Yes. Let us go for second one. 2 5 by 8, 3 1 by 6. The same procedure. First we have to convert for improper fraction. How to convert, children? 8 into 2 plus 5. The same as we have know that here 8. Okay, comma 3 into 6 plus 1 divided by what we should write here, children? 6 only. Isn't it? 6. Then after what we should do now? We have to multiply and add these numbers. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 divided by 8 plus, okay, 21 divided by 8 plus 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by 6. Okay, once again we should take LCM, that is 8 and 6. LCM for 8 and 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. How much here, children, LCM? 24. This 24 right here. Okay, easy step as we have done this problem also. Okay, same procedure. 8 how much the 24? 8 3 is at 24. That 3 you should multiply in the numerator. 8 how much the 24, children? 8 3 is at 24. That 3 you should multiply in the numerator part. Clear? Then what is the answer now? 21 into 3? 63. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Okay, children. 6 how much the 24 now? 6 fours are 24. You should multiply with 4. Okay, children. Yes, what is the answer now? Yes, 4 nines are how much? Okay, correct now, children. 4 nines are, or else you should do 19 for the directly. 19 for the 76. Now add these numbers. Okay, 63 plus 76. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 7, 13 divided by 24. Okay, easy now, children. Then you should convert this number to the mixed number. Okay, now you should convert into mixed number. 24 how much the 130 means 24 ones are, you should divide with 24 only. That is 24 fives are 24 fives are how much, children? Work on it. Work in your home. Okay, 24 fives are 120 and the remainder is 19. You should keep this 19 here, remainder part in this portion. Then you should keep 24 as it is here. Okay now, children, what is the answer now? 519 by 24 is the answer. Okay, easy, children. Okay, Third problem. See problem 3 2 by 9 comma 2 1 by 6. Okay, what we should do first? We should convert into mixed number. Sorry, improper fraction. 9 3s are how much? 9 into 3 plus 2 divided by 9. Okay, here we can use addition symbol also because they have given add. Okay, add the fraction. 6 into 2 plus 1 divided by 6. Now convert it, children. 9 3 is how much? 27. 27 plus 2, 29 divided by 9 plus 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. Now add this one. Not possible because the denominators are different. Okay, we should take the LCM. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Here also possible. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. LCM how much, children, here? 18. Okay, 18 is an LCM. Then what we should do now? We should divide 18 by 9. Okay, children, don't get confused. 9 how much the 18? 9 how much the 18? 9 2s are 18. That 2 you should multiply in the numerator. Very easy. Okay, children, multiply this 2. 9 2s are 18. Okay, 1 carry. Here only 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, children, very easy. 6 how much the 18? Sorry. Yes, 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are how much, children? 6 3s are 18. That 3 we should multiply in the numerator. 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3. 13 3s are 39. Correct. Next step, add these numbers. Okay, 8 plus 9, 17, 1 carry, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus carry 1 is 9. Okay, 97 by 18. Okay, now you should convert into mixed number. Okay, yes, how to convert? You should divide this number by 18. 18 how much the 90 or 97? Okay, approximately to the 97. 18 fives are 90. Okay, 18 fives are 90. Remainder is 7, 18. Say here, children, once again I will show you. Okay, should work in your home, children. 18 how much the 18 fives are, first we should divide like this, isn't it, children? 18 fives are 90. 7 is the remainder. This remainder we should keep in the numerator part and this quotient you should keep in the mixed number part. Okay, this is about converting. Okay, improper to mixed number, mixed fraction. Okay, yes. Next question, 4 comma 2 1 by 3. 4 they have given the number only. Here they have not given fraction, but another one they have given fraction. What we should do now, children? Yes, we should convert the second one into a first improper fraction. Keep 4 as it is. Okay, 2 into 3, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Directly I will write, children. Very easy, no? 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now convert this one. Is it possible to convert, children? No, it is not possible because here new denominator is 1 here. 4 is nothing but 4 by 1 only. Then what is the LCM? 3 is an LCM. Okay, clear, children? Here 1. 1 here, 4 is nothing but 4 by 1 only. I will write 1 only here. See, 4 is nothing but 4 by 1 only. And 1 and 3, what is the LCM of 1, 3, 1 and 3? 3 only. Then, once again the same procedure. 1 3s are 3. Okay, 3 into 4 is 12. Plus, 3 1s are 3. 1 into 7 is 7. See here cross multiplication. See, look at the example, children. 3 4s are how much? 12. 1 7s are how much? 7. Okay, clear or not? Here 3 into 4. In this case only, in this particular example only, 3 into 4 12 plus 7 into 1 7. Okay, 12 plus 7 how much, children? 19 divided by 3. 3, how to divide this one? 3 6 are 18, 1 remainder and we should keep as it is 3. Okay, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. 3 6 are 18 and 1 remainder. Okay, got it, children? Yes, let us go for E problem. Okay, here first one they have given mixed number, second one they have given already fraction. Okay, that is which type of fraction, children? This is proper fraction they have given already. Okay, yes, convert this problem, children. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay, what is the LCM for this children? 5 it is not divisible by 2 also and 2 is not divisible by 5. Then what is the LCM? We should multiply both these denominators. 5 2s are 10 is an LCM. Okay, 5 how much the 10 children? 5 2s are 10. That you should multiply with what? Numerator. Then 12 2s are 24. 2 how much then 10? 2 5s are 10. That you should multiply in the numerator. 1 5s are 5. 24 plus 5, 29 divided by 10. 10 2s are 20. 9 is the remainder. 10 you should keep as it is. Okay, converting problem. That is converting to the mixed number. 10 2s are 20. Okay, 10 3s are 30. Not possible. That's why we should take 10 2s only. 10 2s are 20. 9 is the remainder. And 10 you should keep as it is. Okay. Easy problem, no children? Yes. Okay, children. Here one word problem is there for you, children. Okay, word problems are very easy when you are able to understand the question properly. Okay, you should understand the questions properly, children. There were no potatoes in the house. Okay, there were no potatoes in the house. Therefore, Mr. Sharma bought 2.5 kg potatoes. Okay, Mr. Sharma bought how many potatoes? How much of kg? 2.5 kg potatoes. Mrs. Sharma means his wife. His wife bought how much potatoes? 1 3 by 5 kg of potatoes. Okay, now we should find out how many kilograms of potatoes are there in their house. Okay, children, very easy problem. Okay, what we should write now? Solution. Okay, the fraction of potatoes bought by Sharma. Okay, first we should find out the fraction of potatoes. The fraction of potatoes bought by Sharma. How much potatoes, children? That is 2.5 kg. Okay, 2.5 kg of potatoes. The fraction of the same thing, the fraction of potatoes bought by his wife. His wife is nothing but Mrs. Sharma. Okay, Mrs. Sharma. How much, children? 1 3 by 5. Now we should find out what we should find out now, children. We should find out the total kg of potatoes. Okay, total how many kgs of potatoes are there in their house. Okay, that total number of fractions. Total fraction of potatoes. Okay, what we should do, children? Add. Total is nothing but addition. Okay, yes, 2 1 by 2 plus, yes, 2 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 5. Okay, convert it into mix what improper fraction. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus here 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3, 8 by 5. Okay, what is the LCM here? 10 is an LCM because 2 and 5. The prime numbers not possible to divide with other number. Okay, 10 is an LCM. Then 2 5s are 10. 5 into 5 is 25. Plus 5 2s are 10. 2 into 8 is 16. See cross multiplication, children, here. 5 5s are 25. 2 adds are 16. If the denominators are prime numbers, then we have this rule. Okay, cross multiplication rule. Okay, then add these numbers, children. 25 plus 16. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 41. Sorry, 4. That is 41. It becomes, that is 10. 41 by 10. That is nothing but 10 4s are 40. 1 remainder and here 10. Okay, 4 1 by 10 kg of potatoes are there in Sharma's house. Okay, children, got it? How many of 4 1 by 10 kg of potatoes are there in Sharma's house? The fraction of potatoes first you should write the sentence format. Then after Mrs. Sharma, total fraction of potatoes, how much? 2 1 by 2 plus, then converting this one to improper fractions, then after this one addition, very easy. LCM is 10 and cross multiplication. If the denominator are the prime numbers, then cross multiply the denominator with the numerator. Cross multiplication. 5 into 5 25, 2 into 8 16. Okay, that is 25 plus 16 is 41 by 10. That is 41 by 10 kg of potatoes are they in Sharma's house. Got it, children? Yes. Yes, children. Now let us go for home fun. Okay. Only addition concept, children. Here I have given two problems. Okay. This is about mixed numbers. Addition of mixed number. You have to convert into improper fractions, fractions part, proper and improper fractions. Then only it is possible to add these fractions. Okay. Here it is very easy. You should take the LCM directly and then solve the problems. Okay. Add the problems. Okay, children. Will you do? Yes, complete your HF as early as possible. Thanking you, children.